If you've ever sealed a concrete countertop and worried about what a morning coffee spill would do to your concrete, watch this. This countertop is sealed with Omega, our professional grade concrete countertop sealer. If coffee dries on the surface, no problem, it wipes right off. Let's try red wine. Same result. The wine beads on the surface and wipes clean, even after sitting overnight. This is what a high-performance sealer actually looks like. Omega is a two-component, aliphatic polyurethane, water-based, food-safe, and heat-resistant to 500 degrees. Boy, that's a mouthful. It resists stains, acids, and solvents, and unlike other professional urethanes, you can seal a countertop in about 2 hours, not 2 days. Nearly 7,000 pros and DIYers use Omega. If you're tired of sealers that stain, streak, or need constant reapplication, this is the one that works.